Welcome to the Google Maps Scraper tutorial video. You can use this to scrape Google Maps queries for place details. Let's do a quick example so we can type in our actual query. Another option is we can go to Google Maps directly, browse around. So let's say I have found this area, search this area, okay, and I want to get all these place details to a file. Then I can just click on this, add this map query. Then when I close it, you can see that it's added to search URL to my Google Maps query list. Let me delete the first one. We can set a result limit if we want to finish the task early. Next, we have the details page, and this shows you all the content and data that can be scraped from a Google place. If I don't want to save some particular information, I just click on the checkbox and it will remove it from the save file. We have three options when it comes to removing duplicates. We can look at the lat and long of a place, and if it's the same as each other, it will remove one. We can do the same thing by looking at the website, or we can use the plus code. If we are choosing to save the map embed code, the embed code is actually here. If we hover over macro, we can see there are only two available macros here. One is the name, the other one is the address. Following that, we have our task settings, our task name, save location, we have a scheduler, and we also have a chain task tool. Clicking run now. Once the results have finished, we can preview the task log to see the sites that's visited. And once we're done, we can click on the preview article button here. Now you'll notice that the output is actually a CSV file, so it's not going to look very nice here in the HTML or the preview. But here's all our content downloaded and ready for our processing. If you have any questions about the Google Maps tool, feel free to get in touch with us at scocontentmachine.com.